Tired of manually dragging cards across your Trello boards? I'm going to show you how to automate moving cards between lists in Trello, freeing up your time for more important tasks. First, let's open the board where you want to set up this automation. We're going to use Butler, Trello's built-in automation tool. To make this happen, click on the Butler button located in the top right corner of your Trello board. A menu will appear. Select rules from the options available. Now, let's define the trigger for our rule. This is what will initiate the card movement. Click on the plus sign next to trigger. Scroll through the options until you find the card moves into a list trigger. Click on it. In the configuration window, select the list that cards will be moving from. In our case, we want to move cards that have been completed, so we can select to-do list. Now that we've set the trigger, let's define the action to perform when a card moves into this list. Click the plus sign next to action. Look for the move the card to list action and click on it. Next, select the list that the cards will be moved to. In this example, we want to move cards to the done list. Review your rule to ensure everything is set up correctly. It should read something like, when a card moves into the to-do list, move the card to the done list. Finally, click the Save button to activate your rule. Now, whenever a card is moved into your to-do list, Butler will automatically move it to done list. This automation will streamline your workflow and save you valuable time. Try experimenting with other triggers and actions to customize your Trello boards even further.